everyone, this is Khushbu Singhvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I've tried to get together different type of bras under a budget which includes a strapless bra, an invisible bra, a good minimizer bra and more. And I've tried my best to give you guys the best possible in the budget. So in case I've loved a bra really in the past which was very expensive, I've tried to search a similar to that one in a budget. And I've also tried some bras that was recommended on the internet a lot and was kind of going viral, and if they were very expensive, I have tried the dupes for that. Now when I say budget, all of the ones that I'm sharing today are under rupees 1000. Now I know that for some people even this will not be budget, but the fact is that I really need to give you bras that are well made. And honestly, you don't have to buy a lot of these every single day, so I feel investing money into this is kind of worth. So yeah, basically all the bras here that I'm sharing today will be around rupees 1000. Some are less, some are slightly more, but it is around 1000 rupees. I've tried so many things before actually getting this video together for you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So the first bra that I'm sharing with you all is this one from Enamor. Now this looks exactly like my most favorite bra from Marks & Spencer, and this is the one I'm talking about. If you see my old videos, I have shared about this in the minimizer video and how much I loved this bra. It's one of my favorites from Marks & Spencer, and this one is a very similar looking bra to this. So when I was looking for bras on internet, I saw this and this instantly reminded me of this. This was half the price of this. Now one good or not so good thing about all these brands is that they all copy each other's designs. Like if one design is working really well with a brand, you will see that coming up in every other brand. Of course, the quality, the way it is made and all can be different, but they look very, very similar. I did try another one from Naked by Nykaa as well, but I did not like that one as much as I liked this one. So that's why I decided to share about this. Okay, so I love the fact that they've given these thick straps here, because when it's resting, it doesn't poke you, doesn't hurt you, which is really, really nice. They've used a super soft fabric to make this, and there are no cups here, but it's really thick for no tit show, the way it is designed. It's like a very thick fabric, layers going on here, but it's not a cup. And when you see it like this, it looks really crumpled and everything, but when you wear it, it looks pretty smooth. And it has a thick band on the side with 3 hooks here. Now what they've done is inside they have used a cotton for the behind portion, the bra that is going to touch your skin behind. Inside is a cotton fabric, but this is a synthetic fabric. Now when I compare it to the Marks & Spencer's bra, when it comes to the fabric, what they have done is they've used entirely cotton inside, only outside is this soft fabric. Both of these fabrics are very soft, but this one is like super soft. I can't, like, if I have to choose, I would choose this one, because this is like very thin, very light and very soft. This is a little thicker, but I think it does the job, so it's okay. Now this one is actually a wired bra, when this one is not a wired bra. Okay, the fitting of this is amazing. Absolutely loved how it sits on my body. Very comfortable, smooth. You can wear this with anything you wish to, even with your t-shirts, and it's gonna look nice. So a big plus there. So however, I do feel that in summers I might not enjoy wearing this a lot because of the very thick fabric plus the synthetic material used inside. Now I've worn this in summers a lot. It never bothered me, I think because it's got a cotton fabric inside. So I have to see how it goes, but this is less than half the price of this. This one is around 2300 and this I got for less than 1000 rupees. Okay, so all in all, am I keeping this one? Yes, I am going to keep this one. I'm not saying that it is the exact dupe for the Marks & Spencer one, but when it comes to fitting, I can say it is a very close fitting to the Marks & Spencer one. Very comfortable and I love it. What I did not like, I've already told you, so it's time to move on to the next one. Now the next I'm sharing with you all is this one from Bliss Club. Now one such from Marks & Spencer got really viral on YouTube and even on Instagram. I've seen a lot of videos. Now this comes in Marks & Spencer. It also comes in Enamor, and I've got the one from Bliss Club. The reason being, Marks & Spencer did have my size. That retails for something around 2700 rupees. One in Enamor is cheap, but then they don't have big sizes. So then I thought of going with Bliss Club because this did have big sizes. The only thing is that all of these brands, these are sold in sizes like XL, like ML, XL, XXL. So you have to see what fits best for you. Now what happens is when the bras are sold in such sizes, many a times it might not be the best fit for few people and it will fit really well for some, and I'll explain that to you later why. But for now, let's talk about this one. So this is how it looks. The fabric is like really thin, fine, comfortable, but yes, it's synthetic, so again in summers it can be a problem. It looks something like this, and when you wear it, really hugs your body so nicely. You almost feel like you're not wearing anything. Again, I haven't tried this in summers and I don't know how will it be. The portion is like fully covered. It's fully covered in front as well. It's got these thick straps. It's almost like a sports bra. When you look at it, the way it fits, it looks like a normal bra. So it's super comfortable. No spillage from sides, nothing from front, nothing from back. Your back fat is absolutely not visible because it's literally covering you full. This does comes with very soft pads. They're not very thick, and I think this looks odd without the pad. The fitting is definitely better with the pad on, but these are, at least for me, but these are removable and you can remove them and then use accordingly as you prefer. Okay, so I think it's a beautiful bra, very well made. You can also try the one from Enamor or Marks and Spencer as per your liking. I'll try to link all of them so you can decide whichever brand you love the most. I will tell you why am I not going to keep this. I'm going to return this one, and the reason is, so I got it in a size XL because according to the size chart, that is what was my size, but it's fitting me really beautifully. Okay, but this band down is pretty loose for me, so I have a smaller waist and a bigger bust size, so I do face this problem in quite a few of my sports bra, but yeah, so okay, so that is the reason I'm going to return this. But if that is not the reason with you, and if the waist is fitting you well, I think it's a beautiful bra. It's amazing, damn comfortable, almost feels like a slip. Actually, do not feel like you're wearing a bra. There is no uncomfortable feeling, no irritating feeling, except the fact that this is not cotton. Okay, yes, I have a problem with the waistband. It's a little loose for me, so for that reason I'm returning it. But I think it definitely deserves a try and see if it's fitting you well, because you're going to love this one. So now I am definitely going to try the Marks and Spencer one, because after trying this one I am really interested and I really want to see how will that work for me, because this honestly was so comfortable. Okay, so the next one we're talking about is a strapless bra in budget, and it's from the brand called Plumberry. Now again, this is something that I saw on internet. 2 or 3 different content creators shared about this, so I thought I had to give this a try, because if you can get a good strapless bra in budget, why not? Now to look at, it looks amazing, and I'll explain it to you why. It's got this super thick band going behind, which has a net inside with 4 hooks, really broad, and I think this is what is really needed in a strapless bra, a good broad belt that can hold you super well. And then they have this thick thing like a wire going on the side so that it can keep, give you support on the side. And this is how the cups of this looks. And the same thing goes here, and then it's got a thick band down, and even down they've given these wires so that the band supports you and holds you well while you're wearing this. So to look at this, just looks like a perfect bra, but when I wear it, can I see the same? Well, no. But very honestly, strapless bras are the most difficult one for big bust sizes, and I don't think there is like that one best bra that fits all, and that's the reason I'm sharing about it. There are some things I really like about this, and I thought it might work for a few people, and that is why I'm sharing. By the way, this also comes with removable straps, and there's a nice quality thick straps. So this is how this bra looks, and I really had high hopes with this one, I will be honest. But my problem with this is the cup sizes. So this I ordered in the size 40C because that was what was fitting me the best according to their size chart, and even the C that they have sent me is not according to their size chart, because I feel the cups are a little small for me. If they were a little big, it would have fit better. So what happens is, if you adjust this a little bit, that is what I need to do for most of my strapless bra. If your cup is not fitting in this area exactly, you will have to adjust it a little bit. A little bit would be going down or coming out from this side, and then that starts looking odd. And this also have these wires here, so that can make it very uncomfortable. So with a little adjustment, yes, it might fit really well for many people, especially if you have a big underbust. Like a lot of people have seen that the cup sizes are not very big, but their underbust is really big. So if that is the case with you, you might really like this one. Like for example, if your cup size is B and your band size is 40 according to the measurements, then just go for a 40C in this, and this might just fit you beautifully, because if the cup will fit you well, it's a beautiful bra. At this price point, it definitely deserves a try, and it's really well made. So yeah, big up for that. Okay, the next bra I'm sharing is something that I actually just want to try because again, I saw very good reviews about this one. This is actually from Naked by Nykaa. Now, very honestly, I've not had the best experience with Naked by Nykaa's bras, because their size chart is little confusing for me. Like normally when I order according to their size chart, it's never fitting me well. I think they really need to work on that, and this is something I've heard from many people even around me who use, who've tried these. So 80% I have to get a bra and then exchange it, and it's not that it's constant with all the bras. It's different. Some bras will be big, some will be small when ordered in the same size. So that's a little confusing for me, and I've not been very impressed with them, but some bras I do like from them. So I wanted to give you an option of an everyday bra as well in budget. Now this is 100% cotton. For everyday you need a cotton bra, except this small netting kind of part that's going on here. It's 100%, rest is all cotton. It's very comfortable to wear. It's a full coverage bra, so no spillage from anywhere, nothing from side, nothing from the top. Really very comfortable. It has also got this broad band behind, so it also covers your side fat very well. No spillage there as well. It comes with 3 hooks, and yeah, the strap also is pretty thick, you know, while going from this side. So all in all, it's very nicely made. The fitting is nice, but I'll tell you what, it kind of divides my boobs into 2 very prominently, which in a t-shirt can look odd, but otherwise if I leave that apart, the fitting is pretty nice, especially if you're wearing Indian, if you're wearing blouses or anything Indian. I think this will go really well. So if you're looking for a good bra under your Indian wear, which is even comfortable, not very expensive, nice quality and cotton, and no cups, no wires, full coverage, if this is something that you're looking for, you'll probably like this one, and you can definitely give this a try. Now the last bra in my best finds under budget has to be this one from Enamored. I have shared about this earlier as well in the minimizer video. I really love this bra. This is the one I'm talking about. I've been using this for almost a year now, and I really love this one so much. It's a beautiful bra. There are no wires. There are some very thin inbuilt cups in this, but it doesn't feel like a cup, you know. It's like really soft and easy to wear. This has been washed so many times, but no weird creases or anything. It's not like a cup that you can feel like a cup. It's just the way the fabric is made. I think they call it something like feather soft cup. So the good thing is there is no tit show because of this, and it doesn't feel like a cup. But yeah, there is that little layering, but it really gives you a very minimized effect when you wear this. It is full coverage, so no spilling anywhere. Even the side band is pretty thick. Comes with 3 hooks, no wires. I think that I've already told you. It's got this little passage for air. It's 100% cotton. It's beautifully made. Yes, it does flatten your boobs a tiny bit. I won't say like a lot, a little, but a lot of minimizer bras do that, and that's okay. I don't mind the way this one does it. So yeah, I really love this, and it's super comfortable. I wear this a lot. Even the straps here are very cushioned and thick, so it's very comfortable when you're wearing it. So yeah, all in all, this is an amazing bra. I have shared about this earlier as well, but I thought this definitely deserves a place in the budget series, especially for people who are looking for everyday bras, something that can minimize a little. It is pure cotton, very comfortable to wear, and also no wires. So yeah, I just wanted to include this as well because I really love this. So yes, these were my top 5 under budget. I think all of these are really nice. They all have something which will fit for someone or the other. I just want to say one thing, because I always get this question that this is my size, which one should I get? You know what, it's not only dependent on your size. There are so many things like side fat, back fat, the proportion of your chest size with your underbust. There are so many things that actually decide which bra will fit you the best, and the only way of knowing it is by trying it out. So you know, it's very difficult for me to just tell you. That's why I just shared what I love. It's so easy and convenient now. You can order and send back if something doesn't fit you, because a lot of stores do not keep all these sizes, so it's difficult sometimes to, you know, find it in the store. But if you can, if you're living in a big city, you can go in a store and try. Otherwise, I'll obviously drop the links for all of these. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.